Hello again. You might not be able to see me too well. I'm just coming out of a little bit of woodland just as the sun's going down. It stopped raining at last, although I think there may be more tomorrow. So I'm just trying to grab this little bit of break in the bad weather, and I thought I'd head down to a quiet beach that I know. Just give the drone a fly, stretch the legs, clear the mind. So yeah, next time you see me, hopefully, I'll be down at the beach. See you in a bit. So this particular beach, it's down towards the small town of Cubeas. It's the next town down from Villanova, and in the summer it's actually my favourite beach. There's a nudist beach next one along here which I sometimes go to because there's never hardly anyone on it, although the one in Villanova never gets super packed, but I mean it gets busy enough. The one down here is usually pretty quiet, and I sometimes come down here before work. It's only about a round trip, about an hour and a half. I can run down here, well I say run, take a brisk walk, jump in the sea, cool off in those summer, those warm summer mornings. If I wanted to, I could actually just jump on the train here because it's right near the train station in Cubeas, and it's 5 minutes, literally, not even that, back to Villanova. So yeah, such a beautiful evening now. I'm glad it's arrived. As I say, last few days, in fact it's just recently for the last few months, every time I've wanted to go out it seems to have been just raining all the time. So but the sun's not long down, so I'm going to get along here and then I'm going to get the drone out and see if I can get some nice bit of sunset footage for you. So it's getting pretty dark now. It's not full, I mean the sun's gone down, but I've still got about an hour's walk back. Probably be really dark by the time I reach home. So yeah, today was really just to get out because I haven't been able to get out to I'm planning on a place called Castellet, and there's a place called Mont Blanc, not the French Mont Blanc, but a town called Mont Blanc, not too far away. It's 2 train journeys though. I mean normally that would not be a problem, but at the moment, since that horrific train crash a couple of months ago in Spain, the trains are very well, a bit precarious. There's a lot of speed delays on there, and speed restrictions, things like that. So I haven't been able to get out. They probably do run to where I want to go still, but the thing is, it's not with them not being reliable. I'd only really want to be 2 hours away from home, not being able to get back. There'll probably be some kind, and there are probably some buses I could get, but trying to find out bus information here is well, it's a bit of a pain, to be honest. So yeah, but they are in the works. I do know exactly where I want to go. Mont Blanc's meant to be a beautiful area, some lovely waterfalls and stuff like that. Got a bit of cramp in my thigh. Yeah, it's a lovely area apparently, and it's got some lovely waterfalls and possibly a place to wild camp, a sneaky wild camp, bit of a stealth camp that one would be, I imagine. I've invested in a bivvy, and so when the warmer weather arrives, it's not too bad to kind of sit out for longer and then just crash down in the bivvy, you know. But that's all in the plans. My immediate plans really are, I go to Kilkenny in Ireland every year, as you probably, those of you who watch this channel a lot, or long-term subscribers. I go and visit some friends there and go to a music festival, and then very last day of May, beginning of June, I'm in Norway with my friend Ben from Adventure Outdoors. I was laughing because he's just made a video. He's talking about he's been on or tried to go on a recent bike ride up into the Galloway and Dumfries in Scotland, where the bothy, White Lag in Bothy is, and every time he seems to go with his mate Ben, I think it is, complete disaster strikes. And so anyway, long story short, he was talking about his fitness, and he's reached 50 and he's saying he can really feel it. And if you don't maintain your fitness, it does, once you're in your 50s, I'm 55 now, and honestly I'm aches and pains all the time. So, but I'm not drinking during the week. I only have a little drink on a weekend now and get myself fit for the Norway trip. We're going for a week. We'll be hiking for about 5 days total. Fishing, camping, bit of hiking, and just a few days away there. I've never been to Norway and I've always wanted to go. So hopefully we'll get lucky with the weather. But yeah, it's getting pretty dark now, so I might catch up with you in a little bit there. If not, I'll leave you with a little bit more drone footage, and hopefully we'll see you again soon. Weather permitting. I mean, normally you don't even have to check the weather here, but recently it's been every day, when's this rain gonna go? So yeah, hopefully it'll be a bit more up in the mountains or somewhere you've never seen before, just to make the videos a bit more interesting. So yeah, better crack on because it is getting dark, and as I say, I'm about an hour away. So thanks very much for watching, and hopefully see you on the next one. Bye for now. Let's get out of here.